The AI gold rush isn't coming, it's already here. And the businesses that understand this aren't just adopting, they're winning. I'm TyJuan Hughey, founder and CEO of Innovite Solutions, the world's first multi-AI solutions company. I'm going to show you what's happening in AI right now and why most businesses are completely lost, and how we're helping companies turn outdated systems into revenue-generating machines. This is the AI Solutions Gold Rush, and if you're not building, you're falling behind. Let me start with what we actually do. Innovite Solutions is the world's first multi-AI solutions company. We don't just talk about AI, we build revolutionary systems that actually work for businesses. We specialize in supply chain management and event management, but honestly, we can serve a wide range of diverse industries. Because being a multi-AI solutions company, a term I coined to encompass the vision for my company, it allows us to be able to provide solutions to different industries and multiple industries. But we still do have that specialization in supply chain and event management. Whether it's custom AI systems that give you data insights, workflows, automation, intelligent training systems, or intelligent dashboards, we build custom AI systems designed around your business that fits your business and your specific needs. And we know most businesses don't have experts on AI, so we bring our expertise and we act as an intelligent partner designed to help you spot out potential opportunities to boost revenue with AI or streamline operations with AI. And we also can build those systems for you, and we can be a partner, the market reality. Now let's talk about what's actually happening out there. The global consulting industry reached $374 billion in 2024 and is projected to hit $451 billion by 2030. And get this, 78% of organizations are already using at least one AI in their business function, up just from 33% in 2033 to 71% in 2024. But here's what I think. These numbers are too low. Every industry is going to need AI, and most businesses don't have experts around AI in their business. So here's where companies like mine come in. Companies who know they need AI and they know they want AI to help and streamline operations, but they don't know how to implement AI. They'll come to companies like us who can build the AI, but also walk through with them like a partner. Here's the thing, the problem isn't that AI doesn't work. In fact, 86% of consultant buyers say they actively look for services that incorporate AI and technology assets. The problem is most companies are drowning in outdated workflows, disconnected tools, and manual processes that bleed money and lack of data insights. Everybody wants to automate, but nobody wants to do the heavy lifting and figure out how to actually automate and what processes to automate. But this is where our revolutionary approach comes in. We identify the broken processes, or you come to us with broken process that you have. We identify potential opportunities that you can use AI to potentially expand revenue and expand data insights. We design intelligent automation tools that actually make sense. And we make AI real-world functions, not just a theoretical concept. AI real-world functions, not a theoretical concept. Check it out. Here's just an example. We have a specialization in event management, but this still can work for multiple industries and diverse industries. But we have developed systems that potentially could give event managers and people who are hosting events ways to convert leads, gain more sales if you're selling something at the events, and gain data insights. Those event managers are literally losing out on data insights with customers if they don't have no way to communicate with them. They don't have no smart way with AI to check those people in to get those data insights, no smart way to see if those customers are interested in purchasing something they're selling. So we can develop ways with AI to boost revenue. We can actually find ways in your operations, because it is up to your operations and to your service model to see how it can allow it. But more than likely, AI can help your operation and it can boost revenue. And if you're watching this thinking, okay, this is revolutionary, where do I get started? How do I get started? I put together a free AI integration guidebook specifically for business leaders and operational teams. No fluff, just a revolutionary breakdown of where AI actually fits and how you can start applying it today. Download it using the link down below. Use it to figure out where AI fits in your business and how you can revolutionize with AI. And honestly, this guide is designed for you, even if you don't work for this. We wanted to create something that would actually help business leaders figure out how to implement AI. Here's what I believe. Innovite Solutions exists to lead this revolutionary moment. The global AI market is projected to soar from 189 billion in 2023 to 4.8 trillion by 2033. Right now, this is a revolutionary window where small and medium businesses can grow. They can drive growth and actually leapfrog by integrating our revolutionary AI systems in their operations. The big corporations move slow, but you can move fast and be part of this revolution. The AI gold rush isn't coming, it's happening right now. And you don't win by watching the revolution. You win by participating. You win by building revolutionary solutions. Like I mentioned earlier, if you're interested in the free custom AI integration guide, click the link down below. You will receive it once you fill out that form. If you're interested in working with Innovite Solutions or learning more, you can book a 30-minute free discovery consultation down below. Please be sure to fill out the pre-discovery call intake form. If you're interested in the AI solutions market, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'm TyJuan Hughey, founder and CEO of Innovite Solutions, and I'll see you at the forefront.
The gold isn't in the ground, it's in the data.